For more than 75 years, Heinz Memorial Chapel has nobly served as the spiritual and celebratory center of the University of Pittsburgh. The non-denominational chapel welcomes visitors from all faiths and walks of life. Each year, more than 100,000 guests attend celebrations, services, and tours. Heinz Memorial Chapel began as a gift. Henry John Heinz, the founder of the H.J. Heinz Company, wanted to honor his mother, Anna Margareta Heinz, and arranged to do so in his will. Henry's children generously added to their father's bequest, providing the funding to build a chapel on university grounds. Designed in the neo-Gothic style by Charles Z. Clowder of Philadelphia, the chapel's architecture recalls church styles of 13th century Europe, as interpreted by American architects at the turn of the 20th century. The chapel's 23 stained glass windows constitute approximately 4,000 square feet and contain nearly 250,000 pieces of glass. There are nearly 400 identifiable people in the windows, which combine traditional religious figures and symbols with historic and cultural figures to powerfully illustrate the intersection of spiritual and intellectual life. The University of Pittsburgh is proud to open the Heinz Memorial Chapel doors to a new era that brings a modern level of comfort to chapel guests. The highly anticipated installation of a new environmental control system was a decades-long funding and logistics puzzle. The project began in September of 2014 with the excavation of huge sections of the neighboring Cathedral of Learning's lawn to bring in chilled water lines from Bigelow Boulevard. The old heating system of boiler radiators and associated materials was removed, and more than 2,000 feet of new ductwork was installed. Heinz Memorial Chapel was designated a historic landmark. To preserve the chapel's architectural integrity, designers made use of existing vents and cleverly concealed new equipment in matching woodwork. The Reuter Opus 2176 pipe organ is the heart of the chapel, pumping musical life into its many celebrations. Nearly all of its 4,272 pipes had to be disassembled and stored throughout construction. When the construction was complete, the organ pipes were reassembled, the organ was tuned, and the chapel received a thorough cleaning. At the chapel's dedication in 1938, H.J.'s son Howard said, "If those who come under the influence of this place go out to face life with new courage and restored faith, because of the peace and calm and loveliness they found here, the chapel's legacy would be fulfilled." It is our hope and mission that many more generations will find serenity in reflection and prayer within these walls.